Hey traders, a quick heads up here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? A nice fall out of this head and shoulder pattern, and at the break of this pattern we had a pullback as mentioned yesterday, and now price is falling down from here. So what to expect from here? So at this point I'm still expecting a price to push down further, and I'm expecting a good pullback from 1.618 retracement right here. Once the price hit 1.618 retracement, then I'm expecting few green candles and then a continuation towards the downside. I look for my sell trades only with bearish engulfer after few green candles. Once I have that a condition, I will only look for sell opportunities at this point. So not buying net gas unless and until the price hit the next level of major support, which is right here in green. 1.181 goes up to 1.957, from where we will enter our buy trade with bullish engulfers, double bottoms or pin bars. So keep an eye here for your condition. Price now bearish, and I'm expecting a further fall at least till 1.618 retracement, then pullback and then bearish condition for your entries. Right here exactly the same on currency.com. 1.618 retracement, I'm expecting a pullback and then a continuation towards the downside, which is 2.141. that goes down to 2.018, a zone from where we will enter our buy trades. For now we are just bearish, and I'm only looking for my pullback entries. If you follow me in priority group and if you are my student, you know the pullback conditions. Once we have that, few candles, green candles followed by bearish engulfers, in that case we will push down. And let's say we have a dramatic push up, hit of this zone, a bearish engulfer. This is a zone again. If I get an aggressive entry with bearish engulfer, I will go another short from the zone above that has been recently broken. So keep an eye here for your conditions and entries. So gold is pushing down, and I'm still waiting for the condition, only taking sell trades if the price pulls back up and we get a rejection here with bearish engulfer. In that case I will still go short, so only taking sell trades out of gold. I will look for another sell trade after we have price make a new low with a pullback, bearish engulfers, and keep on taking shots until the price hit the next level of major support, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. So only looking for sell trades at this point, as long as price is trading below 20 EMA and 50 EMA. If you have a push up hit of 50 EMA, in that case I will still go short, not taking longs until we are below 50 and 20 EMA. And same goes for silver. Silver can still push up, hit 50 EMA from bearish engulfer, and can still fall from here. So only looking for sell condition until the price hit the level in green below, which is right here 22.37, from where we will enter buy trades with one of the entry condition, bullish engulfers or double bottom pin bars is also my entry condition. And as you can see, price is pushing down in a nice downtrend, making new lows, and that is what I'm expecting, another low until we hit the demand zone right here in green. So keep an eye here for your conditions and enter with conditions only. Last one we have crude oil, and as you can see, price is now pushing down and still below 50 and 20 EMA, have not broken above the stop. So at this point I'm still expecting a fall from here, only looking for sell trades. We already have this bearish condition right here, and since then the price is pushing down. The only zone I'm expecting to enter my buy trades is right here in 66.22, goes up to 68.44, from where we will enter buy trades with conditions only. So that is what I'm looking at for crude oil. If you have a dramatic push up, break above this stop, only then the price will turn completely bullish. For now it's bearish, only looking for sell opportunities. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.